This works at water damage. If the button does not communicate. For old battery boxes. No reaction. Open carefully, as the cables run along the side. Push out the case with your thumb. Remove the battery. With the Buwizz 2.0 and 1.0 you need a soldering machine device to remove the battery. Clean the circuit board with a toothbrush. Use isopropyl alcohol, glass cleaner or warm water with detergent. Make sure that there are no battery deposits in the red circles. The deposits have a brown color. Clean the circuit board well with distilled water. Alternatively, normal water is also possible. Dry 24 hours in a warm place. Connect the battery. Make sure that the red circle is at the button. Assemble housings. Try if it works. If not, repeat everything again. Really make sure that you can no longer see any battery deposits. Take care of the cables when assembling. If the Buwizz has similar problems with the new purchase, it is due to one of the following reasons. You use an intelligent charger. The Buwizz is not yet fully charged. You need to make a software update in the Buwizz app. When charging, always use the supplied cable with a simple USB power adapter.